and this is a great surprise by BSA. They finally launched their Gold Star and it has arrived in India. I am really excited to be here at this event, at this launch, and there are beautiful colors, and especially this one got my eye. You guys know I'm more of a classic guy, so I prefer the silver, but this black looks really dope and I really like the whole styling. So let's get into this and talk about this motorcycle. And I cannot take it off the stand because it's on the paddock stand, but soon I'll be riding this motorcycle and you can see a smile on my face because this literally takes me back. It gives me that nostalgia feeling, and oh my god, they have done a fabulous job. The tank from top looks really wide and long, but if you see the grips, the position, basically the seat height, and I mean the sitting position is nice and upright for a good cruise, and the seat is also nice. It keeps you, very much on the height, and I'm sure what they briefed us about is that the pillion also comes to my level, especially. That's the best part about the entire design of this motorcycle. The engine is a 650cc liquid cooled engine, and as you can see, there are a lot of fins here which could help in further heat management. Also, you can see that that's where your liquid goes to keep the engine cool. The engine churns 45.6 bhp of power and 55 Newton meter of torque. So this is a torquey machine. So all the roadster fans who were really waiting and anticipating BSA to come back, it has finally arrived. Now let's quickly talk about the coolest thing which I find very attractive on this motorcycle is the speedometer console. No compromise. It goes the same way how it used to go in past. Also, the headlight now has basically a system where you can check your neutral light or your oil change, or all the basically indications are there very much on the headlight. The keys, I'll just show you how they look. This is how the keys look. A very nice charging port here which has a USB type and a C type both, so you can have both the options. Fit and finish of all the parts look decent. They are not of the best quality, but they look decent, especially this reservoir. But in the end, this is a retro motorcycle, so it has to have that old world charm, and that's what they've tried to get on this motorcycle. Even the seat, even the grab rail, if you see the whole flow and design of this motorcycle, it's really beautiful and looks very attractive to me. If you are an old school motorcycle fan. Talking about the flow of the exhaust, this is a blacked out engine, so that's the reason the entire flow of the exhaust is blacked out. On the other variants, there are different shades which you are rolling right now on the screen, and they have given the whole area of the battery cover and the engine, everything complements on this motorcycle and speaks out retro as hell. Alright, now let's start this motorcycle. Gold Star motorcycle by BSA comes with spoke wheels. There are no alloys, obviously, to keep the whole look and the theme, and I think they really complement this motorcycle. Even if you talk about the mudguards which are right here, they really look old school and nice. The front forks are so beefy and nice. The whole bike looks very big in person. Talking about the rear shocks, you get the conventional shockers which are right here. Basically, these turn signals, they are so cute and minimal. As you can see, the foot pegs also, they are very sleek and nice, come with locking system which is really good. So they are running Pirellis, which is 17 at the rear and 18 inches at the front. This also gives me a little vibe of Bonneville, especially the grab bars, but I really like it. Really looks nice on this bike. Also, they have provided are the stays here. So if you're planning to hook up any luggage, which they will have accessories in future for sure on this motorcycle, and that's the reason these are given already. The shades, this is more on the silver. I really like this black, silver and chrome also. They also have the silver and chrome variant, and then this is the blacked out variant which I just showed you all. Then they have this nice red which it used to come in original color, and this special green which looks really beautiful. Okay, so these are the iconic classics which are quite famous in the streets of Mumbai. As you can see, the number is also there because this is quite known, especially in Kolaba area, and this one also comes quite often there. Iconic silver variant, which is my favorite, and besides the black variant, the rest, all the colors which I showed you, the fuel tanks basically, will come with a steel finish exhaust system and also these will have the steel finish on the EFI cover also. This was it in a nutshell. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, you know what to do. Press the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel. As usual friends, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Ride with Raj.